Princeton traffic, Skyhawk 225 for uniform departing runway 28. Departure to the west, Princeton. Enter runway 28. All right. Engine gauges are still on the green. Airspeed is alive. 55. And we're... Alright, that's good. Good for 79. Gauges on the green. The heading is gonna be 281. Alright, looking good so far. Continue the climb. We're still on the green. And we can now set 280. Princeton traffic, Skyhawk 225 for uniform, is departing to the west. Last call, Princeton. Philadelphia approach, good morning, Skyhawk 225 for uniform.
What was the call sign? 2250 uniform?
Skyhawk 225 for uniform.
254 uniform, Philly Post now.
Skyhawk 225 for uniform is Cessna 172, just departed out of Princeton, climbing to 4,500, requesting flight following to Reading.
November 54 uniform, squawk 4243, ident.
4243, ident Sky 225 for uniform.
Four uniform, radar contact, maintain VFR on course.
Maintain VFR, Skyhawk 225 for uniform.
Okay. So since we passed Penridge, it was 21 minutes. It was supposed to be 21.5. So we were going a little bit faster than expected. Yeah, that's it. So we were expecting to be there in this reservoir at 28 minute mark. That's good.
November 2254 uniform, contact reading 125.15.
Reading 125.15. That's Skyhawk 225 uniform.
November 814 Foxtrot Golf, turn.
Reading regional airport information, Delta 1254 Zulu, wind, calm, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 24, dew point 14.
Sky 4 Mike Charlie, contact tower 119.9er.
2.
Tower 119.9er.
Reading approach, good morning, Skyhawk 2254 uniform, 4500, information Delta.
Skyhawk 2254 uniform, reading approach, reading altimeter 2961, continue.
Continue, 2254 uniform.
Taxiways.
Skyhawk 54 uniform, turn right heading 310 vectors to a midfield right downwind runway 31.
Turn right, heading 310 and expecting the vectors to the 31 left base, Skyhawk 2254 uniform.
November 54 uniform, it will be a midfield right downwind.
Midfield, right downwind runway 31, Skyhawk 2254 uniform. Train approach, Skyhawk 2254 uniform. Just to confirm, are we clear starting the descent?
Skyhawk 54 uniform, affirmative, VFR, altitude your discretion, fly heading 300.
Altitude discretion, left heading 300, Skyhawk 2254 uniform.
Skyhawk 54 uniform, resume mode navigation, enter a midfield right downwind runway 31.
Resume navigation and enter left, right downwind midfield runway 31, Skyhawk 2254 uniform.
Skyhawk 54 uniform, contact tower 119.9er.
119.9er, Skyhawk 2254 uniform. Good morning, towers, Skyhawk 2254 uniform.
Skyhawk 2254 uniform, tower, fly heading 270.
Fly heading 270, Skyhawk 2254 uniform.
Cherokee 66R1 Whiskey, riding tower, hold short.
We're holding short 31, 669 Whiskey.
Skyhawk 54 uniform, make a left-hand turn out, report midfield, right downwind, runway 31.
Make the left turn and we will report left downwind runway 31, Skyhawk 2254 uniform.
Skyhawk 54 uniform, extend downwind, I'll call base.
Extend downwind, you call base, 254 uniform.
Send 265, extend downwind, I'll call base.
265, we'll go.
Cherokee 901 Whiskey, runway 31 at Juliet, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 31 at Juliet, Cherokee 6691 Whiskey.
Skyhawk 54 uniform, turn base, continue traffic holding.
Turn base and continue the traffic holding, 2254 uniform.
Cherokee 901 Whiskey, proceed on course, wind 260 at 5, runway 31 at Juliet, clear for takeoff. Traffic, Skyhawk 2.5 mile right base.
On course, clear for takeoff. We'll look for the traffic, Cherokee 6691 Whiskey, thank you.
Stinson at 265, number 2, following a Skyhawk 2 mile final, report that traffic in sight.
265, looking.
Stinson 265, you said you had the traffic.
Negative, I'm looking.
Roger. Skyhawk 54 uniform, Cherokee departing runway 31, wind 280 at 4, runway 31, clear to land, traffic off your left, Stinson 1300.
With both traffic inside, clear to land runway 31, Skyhawk 225 for uniform.
Denton's got the Skyhawk traffic. Denton 265, follow that traffic, wind 270 at 6, runway 31, clear to land. Clear to land, number 2, 265.
Flaps 20. Flaps full. Landing.
Reading Tower, Cub 953 is holding short at Delta, ready to depart on runway 31 to the southeast.
Cub 953, Reading Tower, hold short, runway 31, landing traffic.
Holding short on 31 at Delta, Cub 953.
Okay, that's great. And we're gonna go left on Delta.
Skyhawk 54 uniform, turn left on Delta, no delay, and contact ground point 9er.
Left on Delta, ground point 9er, 225 for uniform.